Cassie. Welcome to another episode of our College Diaries. Happy June, everyone. It's been a while since I last vlogged. Anyways, this afternoon I'm going to school kasi I need to process some papers. And yes, hindi ko makakasama si Heart, guys, kasi nasa Bacolod siya. So, I'm gonna be with some of my classmates. Actually, it's 12:30. I'm going to school around 12:45 or 12:50 kasi lunch break pa ng office. And 1 p.m. sila magko-continue. I am done with my makeup. Ayan, nakabihis na din ako and all. Bale, ready to go na lang talaga ako. But before that, ayusin muna natin yung bag ko. So, ito yung gagamitin kong bag today. First, I need to bring my wallet. Powder. Guys, hindi pwede na hindi ko dala yung powder ko kasi, you know naman, I have oily skin and kailangan ko talaga mag-retouch. I have here my oil control film. Tapos, I need to bring my mirror din. Binigay to sa akin ni Heart. Actually, meron siyang comb, pero hindi ko na dinala kasi hindi naman ako nagsusuklay sa school. I need to bring my blush. This one is from Vice Cosmetics. Ayun yung gamit ko today. So, let's put it here as well. Itong glass stain from, I forgot, anong brand to? Detail Cosmetics. Actually, Naked ata yung shade na pinili ko for myself. Pero nag-switch kami ni Heart kasi mas bagay ko sa akin. This one is in the shade Blooming. Ayan. Actually, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, naglilick siya. Kaya super messy ng tint ko. But, ayusin ko na lang yan. And then, I'm also gonna bring this lip balm. This one is from Human Nature. Hindi ko pwede makalimutan yung keys ko. So, ayan. Actually, guys, mag-isa lang ako dito ngayon sa boarding house. Kasi yung brother ko umuwi sa province namin. And yung mom ko, kakaalis na lang dito. So, ayan. I need to bring my keys. And that's all. Oh, I also need to bring my mini fan. Actually, guys, meron pa ako ng mas maliit pa dito. Kaso low bat siya. So, ito na lang yung dadalhin ko sa school. This has 3 modes. So, ayan yung first one, second one, and the third one. Diba? Super hangin niya, guys. This is an essential talaga. Especially na super init ngayon, guys. Like, nakakainis. And of course, hair clamp, pati payong. So, ayan lang yung dadalhin ko today sa school. I'm gonna leave. I still have time. So, yeah. Of course, I need my glasses with me. Kasi guys, hindi ako makakita sa malayo.
Tubang!
Hi guys! Update. So, nag-buy si Arts ng fries.
Sa 23 na lang kakamunuan.
Kaya na kami naka-vlog. Kaya gutom na kami.
Puso ko. Hi guys, mayaminan ko.
Ay, basta-basa ka!
Hindi ko nag-yoga yun.
7:05 na.
Guys, uuwi na po si Cinderella.
Ang ako, malamang. Guys, this is such a cutie.
Pakasdan.
Wow.